Trombones, in this video we're looking at Jingle Bells, which is always a fun song to play, especially at this time of year. We're going to just do it one line at a time because this is the longest song that we've had so far. There's a lot in it, so we're going to look at it one piece, one bit at a time. So the first thing to notice is that it's in 2/4 time. So when we're counting this, we're not going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2 counts per measure. The rhythms in this song look really tricky because we've got all this kind of stuff. We got the dotted quarter note with the 8th note, which we have also here. Over here we have a quarter note and 2 8th notes. We've got a tie at the end. There's a lot of stuff that we look at and go, oh my gosh, this rhythm looks so tricky. How does the rhythm work? The song goes exactly the way you would expect it to go. So the rhythms that are written are the rhythms that you would sing normally when you're singing a song like Jingle Bells. So let's go ahead and do this first line. Just say the words with me and clap it while you say it. Okay, ready? Go. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. So the all the way, that's the dotted quarter note, 1 and 2 and 1. But if you just think all the way you expect it to go, it's going to be a lot easier. So let's clap that again. Ready? Go. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Now, you will have to move your slide very quick when we get to the all the way part. So let's look at what those notes are right there on that first line. So notes are going to be D, 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 F, B flat, C, D. Say those notes with me. Ready? Go. D, 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 F, B flat, C, D. Okay, now move your slide. Okay, we started on a D. Ready? Go. D, 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 F, B flat, C, D. Let's do those last 3 notes. B flat, C, D. So you're going to go from 1st to 6th very quickly. B flat, C, D. Can you do that with me? Ready? Go. B flat, C, D. One more time. Thumb and 2 fingers. Ready? Go. B flat, C, D. So that you're holding that slide with good control. You don't want to lose it. You don't want it to go woo out the end. Okay? So move your slide again for the whole first line. Ready? Go. D, 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 F, B flat, C, D. Okay, let's try playing that together. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, and that part, B flat, C, D, that's the tricky part. You've got to really move your slide on. Try it again. 2, ready, go. So that's our first line. Now you might need to practice that a few times before you get it, but that's how that first line's going to go. Now let's jump down onto the second line. Again, the rhythm looks tricky. It's just how you expect it to go. So clap and say those words with me. Ready? Go. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a 1-horse open sleigh. Hey. Okay? Say those words and clap them again. Ready? Go. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a 1-horse open sleigh. Hey. On this second line, notice that we have an E flat and another E flat. So the E flat carries through the measure. E flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, D, 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 C, C, D, C, F. Okay? Now, because these notes move so quick, let's go ahead and say the notes, but we won't say E flat, E flat, E flat, because that's too hard to say. So we'll just say E, but we'll just know that we're going to play E flat. Okay? So point and say those notes. Ready? Go. E, 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 D, 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 C, C, D, C, F. Okay, move your slide. Ready? Go. E, 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 D, 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 C, C, D, C, F. Okay, so the big movement is when we go from C to F. The other thing is just knowing how many E's and how many D's we have. So move your slide one more time. I'm going to play. Here's how the second line goes. Ready? Okay, try that along with me. Here's the second line. 2, ready, go. Okay, and again, it may take a few tries. It may take some time to practice that before you really get that. But that's how that second line is going to be. Now, at the end of the second line, we have a repeat. So this, move my finger here, this 2 dots means we go back and we repeat what we did at the beginning. The other thing you'll notice is that the second line had a 1 with a line across. This is called a first ending. And then the bottom line has a 2 with a line across. It's called a second ending. So in this song, we're going to play this first line. Then we're going to go on to the first ending, which is the middle line. Then it tells us to go back and repeat this first line. So we'll do that a second time. And the second time, we take the second ending, which is the bottom line. So we're going to play this song first line, second line, first line, third line, which sounds confusing. But if you think about the song Jingle Bells and you look at the words, it goes exactly the way that you expect it to go. So we did the first line, we did the second line, and now it's sending us back to do that first line again. So let's play the first line again, Jingle Bells, jingle all the way. First line, and ready, go. Okay, so that's the first line. Okay, now this is the second time we're playing it, so we're going to take the second ending. So we're going to jump down. And again, we have the same rhythm. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Except this time, we don't have a hay. This time, sleigh is tied. 2 counts plus 2 counts is 4 counts for that last note. Okay, and the notes start out the same with all those E's and D's, but then the ending, F, F, E flat, C, B flat, is a little bit different. So let's say those notes together on that bottom line. I'm going to say E, even though we know it's an E flat. Ready? Go. E, 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 D, 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 F, F, E, C, B, B flat. Okay? Move your slide with me. Here we go. Ready? Go. E, 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 D, 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 F, F, E flat, C, B flat. Move your slide one more time. Say those letters while I play it. Here's what it sounds like. Ready? And you heard me hold that last note for 4 counts. Play that along with me. Bottom line, 2, ready, go. So we did the first line, we did the second line, we went back to the first line again, and then we do the third line. Let's play the whole song now without stopping. 1, 2, Jingle Bells. Second line. First line. Now the bottom line. So like I said, it's a little bit tricky. There's a lot to it, but it's fun when you finally are able to do it. Good luck as you practice.